Game over. Game over. Game over.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name's Kayla, and I'll be your host through whatever reaction journey we're going to go on together today. And that is going to be another LOONA vid, except it's not Kim Lip this time. It's another girl from the group, and she's going to be singing in the rain. Is it JinSoul? JinSoul? I know it's probably simple, but you know, my accent. All right, so singing in the rain in 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, it's blue instead of red this time. Hey, girl. Ooh, it's another... So she's in a similar look as Kim Lip, except it's blue. Run, girl, run. She's flawless too. Okay, the hair. Oh my god, the water effects. It reminds me of a 90s R&B video. That effect is cool. Whoa! Fish. Hit me with that stick you have. So everything's gold, but hers is blue. Is she a mermaid? Okay, she's not, but it just looked like it because she's in a fish tank thing. I love them with their hair up. I can't even do that. Ow, I just cracked my wrist. Was she crying? Excuse me, what are you doing to that fish, young lady? Holy crap. That effect is cool. I'm not sure if I like this one better or Kim Lip's. I really like the red effects in Kim Lip's, and now I really like the blue effects in this one. Why is your hand in a fish tank? Oh my god, why do you smoke now? I really like the water. Wait, don't put that fish in there. No! You shouldn't mix those fish together. She was actually like in a rain. Dude. Oh, that stare just pierced me. Oh, okay. Oh. I'm thirsty. That made me very thirsty. Is that weird? That was really cool. I don't know, I might have to go with Kim Lip still. I need a couple more listens of this before I can really decide. Wow. LOONA is... They're wrecking me. I've watched another video. obviously, of Kim Lip's, and there's more, I believe. So I have to watch those. But whew, do they all have color schemes like that, or is it just going to be like a? Oh, it was only these two. I'll have to check. Goodness gracious, guys. Okay. Put down your favorite part of the video down below. I think my favorite part was the dancing on the water. It reminded me of a old R&B video from the 90s, maybe. I can't remember the name of it, but they did that too. That was really cool. Make sure yeah, I said that already, but put your favorite part down below. If you didn't like it, then put why you didn't like it down below. Also, we can discuss. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you guys later.